So today I'll be showing you how I make my banana nut bread. Let's jump right into it. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix properly to combine your dry ingredients. Now we're going to set this aside while we prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, add about 4 ounces or 114 grams of pure unsalted butter. Next, add about half a cup of brown sugar. If you have really ripe bananas, you can skip this step. Using a fork, cream together your sugar and butter. Now for this recipe, you actually need bananas that are extremely ripe, and as you can see, mine are not there yet. If you do have bananas that are not ripe enough, feel free to supplement the sweetness with some brown or regular sugar. Use a masher to mash and combine your bananas with your butter and sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Crack and whisk 3 whole eggs. Add your eggs to the wet mixture and mix until fully combined. Now add your wet mixture to your dry mixture and mix until fully combined. When it's fully combined, add some chopped walnuts and fold into the mix. Next, grease a 9x5 loaf pan with some butter. Transfer the batter into your loaf pan. When you're done, give the pan a tap on the table to get rid of excess bubbles. Then flatten the top with a spatula. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. After 50 to 60 minutes, insert a toothpick into the bread, and if it comes out dry, you're all set. I like to cut it upside down because I like the look of the flat top. You can let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing, but I like to dig in right away. Just so you know, I ended up making 2 loaves of bread, one with 2 eggs and one with 3 eggs. The one with 3 eggs came out way better, and that's what you're looking at right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Next week, I'll be making an alkaline vegan version of this bread, so be sure to tune in. My name is Manny and I make recipes from all around the world. So if there's a recipe you would like me to make, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all next week.